Hello friend, welcome to my channel Quest for Education. Today I am discussing 10 mathematics question for the student who is preparing for the Jawahar Navodaya Vidyalaya entrance exam 2022. Let's start, and before we start, one thing I would remember you that don't forget to subscribe my channel. Question number 1, greatest number which is to be divided by 281 and 1243 leaves the remainder 5 and 1 respectively is. First we subtract 5 from first number and 1 from second number, and after that we calculate the HCF of resulting number. So question number 1, 281 minus 5, 76, 1243, 1, 242. We calculate the HCF of these two numbers. So 276 divided 242 4 times. 4 6 is 24, carry 2, 30 0, carry 3, 11, 8, 3, 1, 2, 7, 6, 2 times 276. So HCF is 138. So the number is 138. A is the right answer. Question number 2. 3 bells ring at interval of 12, 15 and 18 minutes respectively. They start ringing simultaneously at 7 am. What will be the next time when they all ring simultaneously? So first we calculate the LCM of these three numbers. After that we add LCM with 7 am. Question number 2, 12, 15, 18, 2, 6, 15, 9, 3, 2, 5, 3. So LCM equal to 2 into 3 into 5 into 3, that is into 2, that is 180 minute, that is 3 hour. So we add 3 hour with 7 am. So 7 with 3, that is 10 am. So A is the right answer. Question number 3. In what time rupees 4,250 amount to rupees 5,610 at the rate 8% per annum? Simply we calculate it from formula. So question number 3, principal, that is 4,250, amount, that is 5,610, rate, that is 8%. We have to calculate time. So interest, that is A minus P, 5,610 minus 4,250, that is 0, 6, 3, 1. So time equal to I into 100 by P into R, that is I 60 into 100 by P 4250 into R 8. So 0 0 or 4 0 17 8 2 78. So 4 year. D is the right answer. Question number 4. If 4,158 divided by 11 equal to 378, 41.58 divided by 1.1 is equal to. So friend, first we write this expression, 4,158 divided by 11 equal to 378, or 4,158 divided by 11 equal to 378. Next friend, we write this expression, 41.58 divided by 11, 1.1. So we write it 41.58 by 1.1. Eliminating point we get 100, eliminating point we get 10. So 4158 by 11 into 10. So friend, value of this expression is 378. 10 remain in denominator. So we have to write it 37.8. So A is the right answer. Question number 5. 0.0975 is divided by 15. Quotient is. Question number 5. 0.0975 we divided by 15. We get 0.0975 by 15, that is 975 by 15 into 1,1,2,3,40. So 65 by 10,000. So here after 140, so we have to put point after 4 place. So the answer is 0.0065. A is the right answer. Question number 6. Next term of 90, 10, 80, 15, 70 is. So we write the series 10 after 80, after 15, 70. There is 2 series and 1 there. If we subtract 10 from 90 we get 80, we subtract 10 from 80 we get 70. If we add 5 over 10 we get 15, and if we add 5 with 15 we get 20. So answer is 20. A is the right answer. Question number 7. If each side of a square will be double, then its perimeter will be. Question number 7. Let side of a square be A, then perimeter 4 into A, that is 4A. So side will be double, then side become 2A. So perimeter become 4 into 2A, that is 8A. So ratio of that 2A. So ratio is 8A by 4A, that is 2. So the perimeter become double 2 times. A is the right answer. Question number 8. Following graph represent the number of carton filled with orange in 4 days of a week sold by a vendor. In Thursday there is a 4, Wednesday 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, Monday 3 and Sunday 2. So total number is 4, 6, 3, 2. So 15. So 15 number of this picture is sold. One picture represent 20 orange. So 15 picture represent 15 into 20, that is 300 orange. If the vendor still remain 30 orange in a carton, then what was the number of orange at the beginning? So he sold 300 and 30 remaining. So total number of orange he purchased is 330. So B is the right answer. Question number 9. A man crosses a 60-meter long bridge in 10 minutes, speed of the man in kilometer per hour. So question number 9, 10 minutes he cover 600 meter. 1 minute he cover 600 by 10 meter. 60 minutes he cover 600 into 60 by 10, that is 3600 meter or 3.6 kilometer. So speed is 3.6 kilometer per hour. So speed that is 3.6 kilometer per hour. B is the right answer. Question number 10. A man do a work in 12 days working 8 hours per day. If he works 6 hours per day, what would be the number of days taken by him? So question number 10. Work 8 hours for 12 days. Work 1 hour for 12 into 8 days. Work 6 hours for 12 into 8 by 6, that is 16 days. So C is the right answer. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.